The term love handles refers to the sections of fat on the sides and front of the belly. So you see, there's nothing to love about them despite their sweet name. These zones of fat can be a real challenge to use. Tons of people target these areas with countless side crunches and other exercises that target the obliques, or muscles that run down the sides of the torso. Unfortunately, exercise alone is no match for these love handles. To melt that stubborn fat for good, you must make dietary, lifestyle, and fitness changes. Eating healthy and minimizing stress are two great examples. Continue watching to know more. Step 1. Get enough sleep. Sleep is extremely important for losing body fat, especially the muffin top. When you're not getting enough sleep, it increases the cortisol levels in your body, which impedes your weight loss efforts. Hormones going out of whack also slows down metabolism, increases appetite, and boosts cravings for foods higher in carbs and fat in an attempt to help produce serotonin. This explains why studies have indicated that sleep-deprived people tend to weigh more and store more body fat than those who get a sufficient amount of sleep. So if you want to lose those love handles, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Step 2. Minimize stress. Stress negatively affects both the mental and physical state of a person. As a matter of fact, it can also cause people to gain belly fat. One good reason for this is because of the hormone cortisol. Commonly known as the stress hormone, the production of cortisol in the adrenal glands is triggered when an individual is faced with stressful situations. While this is a normal reaction of a healthy body, chronic stress and overexposure to cortisol can lead to unpleasant side effects like headaches, anxiety, digestive issues, and weight gain. Many studies have shown that increased levels of cortisol are linked to weight gain, especially around the stomach area. To minimize stress and help fight off belly fat, squeeze in some time for activities like yoga and meditation, as both have been found to effectively reduce cortisol levels. In addition to those lifestyle changes, your diet also matters a lot in getting rid of love handles. Coming up next are some nutrition guidelines that help burn fat cells. Step 3. Eat healthily. Cut out added sugar. Added sugar is most commonly found in many foods and beverages like candies, cookies, sodas, and sports drinks. Too much of this can lead to an increased amount of body fat, specifically in the belly area. Moreover, fructose, especially from sweetened beverages, has been found to increase belly fat. Focus on healthy fats. Eating more healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds can help reduce your waistline. Aside from their pleasant tastes, such foods help you feel full, causing you to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Consider swapping less nutrient-dense foods with healthy fats. Fill up on fiber. Foods rich in soluble fiber may also help reduce the stubborn muffin top. You can get soluble fiber from eating oats, beans, nuts, vegetables, and fruits. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer periods by slowing down digestion and reducing feelings of hunger. The prolonged feelings of fullness have been found to decrease calorie intake throughout the day, hence weight loss. Add in complex carbs. Instead of eating refined carbs like pasta, white rice, and white bread, switch them to complex carbs like beans, brown rice, oats, and sweet potatoes. Complex carbs keep you feeling satiated throughout the day and aid in less food consumption. Eat whole foods. One of the best ways to get rid of love handles is to maintain a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Studies show that those who eat lots of processed foods like sweets, fried foods, and fast foods are at a greater risk of obesity. So, to shrink your waistline naturally, eat more veggies, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds. Eat more home-cooked meals than ready-made ones. Boost your protein intake. Protein helps you feel satisfied between meals and can even reduce the craving for snacks. And so, eating more high-quality protein can help get rid of those unwanted fats. Also, studies have shown that protein-rich diets are more effective at melting belly fat than low-protein diets. Excellent sources of high-quality protein are eggs, seeds, nuts, meats, seafood, and legumes. Step 4. Get your cardio in. Aerobic exercises are great at burning calories and reducing excess fat in the body. As such, they can help slim down love handles. Running and burpees are popular examples of aerobic exercise. But because of their high-intensity nature, many people feel intimidated by them or cardio as a whole. In truth, there are plenty of low-impact, newbie-friendly cardio workouts such as swimming and walking. Experts recommend incorporating 150 minutes of heart-pumping cardio per week into your current core toning workout. Don't have one? We've got you covered. Exercises like Russian twist and body roll-ups are excellent for melting off those love handles of yours. Let's talk more about them next. Step 5. Train your entire core. The muffin top might be concentrated mostly on the sides, but training your entire core will effectively tone and tighten your tummy. Spot training simply doesn't work. Besides doing cardio, here's a solid workout that's more than just crunches and side bends. Instructions. Complete the 5 exercises as instructed. Rest for 1 minute and repeat the list 2 more times. For best results, do this core workout 3 times a week. If you don't have a medicine ball, a dumbbell or other weighted item will work. The workout. Number 1. Full body roll-up, 12 reps per side. To start, lie on the mat with arms extended overhead, legs stretched out and feet flexed. Inhale as you lift your arms and start curling your chin and chest forward. Then exhale as you roll the entire torso up and over while keeping your abs engaged and reaching for your toes. Next, inhale as you start rolling your spine back down 1 vertebra at a time. And exhale as the upper portion of your back slowly rolls down while your arms remain outstretched. Once your shoulders come down to the floor, the arms go with the head as you continue to roll down the mat. Number 2. Russian twist, 24 twists. Your starting point is a seated position with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor and holding both hands in front of the chest. While keeping your spine long and the abs tight, lean back slightly and lift your feet a few inches off the floor. Now, slowly twist your torso to the left and put your hands beside the left hip. Go back to the center. Slowly twist to the right and bring the hands beside the right hip to complete 1 rotation. Number 3. Side plank lift and lower, 12 reps per side. Start with a side forearm plank by lying in 1 long line on one side. Stack your elbow under your shoulder and keep your forearm on the mat perpendicular to your body. Also, stack your feet and stay in 1 long line as you engage your core and lift your hips, forming a side forearm plank. Then dip your hips down towards the mat and lift back up using your obliques and core muscles. Number 4. Swimmers, 30 seconds. Begin by lying on your stomach with your legs and arms extended. Engage your abs so you feel your transverse abdominis contract. Next, lift your arms and legs off the floor and keep your nose hovering above the mat. Now start fluttering your arms and legs like you're swimming, moving from the hips and shoulders, not the knees and elbows. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts. Number 5. Oblique crunch with long legs, 12 reps per side. First off, lie on the side in 1 long line, shoulders stacked over the elbow and on the forearm. Next, swing your legs forward and lean back on your glutes like you're sitting on the back pocket of your jeans, and lift your legs off the mat on the diagonal, extending your top arm long. Tighten your core as you reach your toes up to your hand. Then lower your legs and lift your arm to return to starting position. Do the same on the other side. Do you go to bed hungry because you think it helped reduce some of those love handles? Rather than suppressing your hunger, it's much better to have a light snack before bed, granted that you're eating the right foods. Click here to learn which foods help burn fat while you sleep.